In the town of Mathville, a monster named Grogg scares everyone with his massive size and booming voice. Grogg is known for his love of causing chaos and mischief, often sneaking up on unsuspecting villagers and giving them a fright. Despite his intimidating appearance, Grogg is actually quite friendly and enjoys playing pranks on the townspeople. One day, the mayor of Mathville decided enough was enough and called a town meeting to address the Grogg situation. The villagers came together to brainstorm ideas on how to deal with the monster, but no one could come up with a solution. It wasn't until a clever young girl named Lily suggested befriending Grogg instead of fearing him. With her quick thinking and kind heart, Lily was able to show the town that Grogg was just misunderstood and that he could be a valuable member of the community. From that day on, Grogg became a beloved figure in Mathville, using his strength and wit to protect the town from any real threats that came their way.
Please subscribe and